John Wright sent me an email and he said, hey, make me the Motorhead of the Week. Well, John, your wish is my command. John was a state trooper in Virginia, riding a motorcycle with them for about 10 years. And of course, that alone could qualify him as a Motorhead. But this is why he wrote in. Just check out his Jeep. It's a 1974 CJ5, and this thing is a monster. Or as John calls it, it's a ground shaker, picture taker. And he tells me he found it sitting on a hilltop just wasting away. And John finally got his hands on it at the end of 2024. And now he tells me there's not a single part on it that hasn't been updated or newly installed. Under the hood, a Chevy 350 crate motor. It's got a Dana 30 on the front and an AMC 20 axle in the rear. Custom exhaust and 35-inch tires. That gives this thing a great looking stance. On the interior, seats out of a Polaris RZR, and that of course finishes off the look. This thing is beautiful, and we want to congratulate John Wright. He is the Motorhead of the Week. Hey John, thanks for your email. You know, you can be like John. Just send me an email, dave@motorheadgarage.tv. Tell us why you or someone you know should be our Motorhead of the Week. We'll get you here on the show.